Good day everyone. I am Generous T. Velorio, BE 2. This video presentation will talk about the tribal communities in the Philippines. Introduction to the Philippine indigenous communities. The Philippines consists of a large number of indigenous ethnic groups living in the country. They are the descendants of the original inhabitants of the Philippines. They were not absorbed by centuries of Spanish and United States colonization of the Philippines archipelago, and in the process have retained their customs and traditions. Now, let's talk about the father of cultural anthropology. Henry Otley Beyer was an American anthropologist who spent most of his adult life in the Philippines, teaching Philippines indigenous culture. He is known as a father of Philippine anthropology. In the 1990s, there were more than 100 highland tribal groups constituting approximately 3% of the population. The upland tribal groups were a blend in ethnic origin like other lowland Filipinos, although they did not have contact with the outside world. Cultural group. Most anthropologists will define culture as the shared set of implicit and explicit values, ideas, concepts, and rules of behavior that allow a social group to function and perpetuate itself. Ethnic group. Ethnicity is a socially grown collective identity, which assumes a common history and origin as well as shared tradition and claims to define a culture as different from all. Who are indigenous people? According to the United Nations, there are approximately 400 million indigenous people worldwide, making up more than 500,000 distinct tribes. Together, we are one of the largest minority groups in the world, spanning over 90 countries, while indigenous people total only about 6% of the world's population. We represent 90% of the cultural diversity. Now, let's talk about the indigenous people in Luzon. First is the Higaynón. The Higaynón is one of the mountain tribes in the Philippines. Most Higaynón still have a rather traditional way of living. Farming is the most important economic activity. In Mountain Province, we have Igorot. Igorot or Cordillerans is the collective name of several Austronesian ethnic groups in the Philippines who inhabit the mountains of Luzon. These highland peoples inhabit the 6 provinces of the Cordillera Administrative Region: the Abra, Apayao, Benguet, Kalinga, Ifugao, Nueva Vizcaya, and the Mountain Province, as well as the Baguio City. Next is the Bontoc tribe. Bontoc is home of the Bontoc tribe, a paired war-like a group of indigenous people who actively indulged in tribal wars with its neighbors up until the 1930s. Every Bontoc male had to undergo a rites of passage into manhood, which may include head hunting, where the male has to journey and hunt for a human head. Next is the Ifugao. The Ifugao call themselves as Ifugao or inhabitants of the known earth. Other variations of the name are Ifugao, Ifugao, and Yupugao. They live primarily in the province of Ifugao in central Cordillera in northern Luzon. Kalinga or head hunting, esteemed as the strong people of the Cordilleras. Kalingans simultaneously propound cherished family and kinship. A Kalinga household consists of a nuclear family and sometimes an aged grandparent. Generally speaking, they show great respect towards elders and are clannish. Next is the Sagada, led by the elders and followed by the younger men of Sagada. Next is the Balangao ethnic group. The Balangao, also known as Boliwans, were the early settlers of the eastern. Next is the Ibaloy. The Ibaloy or Nabaloy is an indigenous ethnic group found in the northern Philippines. The Ibaloy are one of the indigenous people collectively known as Igorot, who live in the mountains of the Cordillera central of the island of Luzon. Including also the indigenous people in Mountain Province is the Pugot in Apayao and the Apayao Snag. Next is Digadang. Digadang are an indigenous people from the area of Solano, in the province of Nueva Vizcaya, in the region of Cagayan Valley, also known as Region 2 in the Philippines Islands. Next is Sierra Madre. First, Ilongots. The Ilongots in the southern Sierra Madre and Caraballo Mountains on the east side of Luzon, particularly in Nueva Ecija and Nueva Vizcaya. Also in Sierra Madre, the Remontados identify as the Negrito ethno-linguistic group. Including also the indigenous people in the Philippines is the Ita of Zambales, Ita of Pampanga, Ibatan of Batanes, and Tagbanwa in Palawan. Now let's talk about the Batak people in Philippines, Northern Palawan. The Batak are one of about 70 indigenous peoples of Philippines. They are located in the northeastern portion of Palawan. Mangyan tribe culture. Mangyan cultural practices are in danger of vanishing because of the influence of modern lowland culture. Also, tribal communities in the Philippines is the Visayan IP and Magahat Bukidnon of Negros. Also, one of the tribal community in the Philippines is the Eta community in Boracay. Next is the Saludnon tribe of Panay. The Tumandok or Saludnon, also known as Panay Bukidnon or Panayunon Sulod, is an indigenous Visayan group of people who reside in the Capiz-Lambunao mountainous area of Panay in the Visayan Islands of the Philippines. Next is the Iskaya people in Bohol. The Iskaya, less commonly known as the Visayan Iskaya, is the collective name for the members of the cultural minority found in Bohol, Philippines. Next is the Negritos of Negros Oriental. More than 100 tribal chieftains and leaders from the two major and recognized indigenous groups in Negros Oriental, namely the Ita Negritos tribe. Next is the Karaya people in Antique. The Karaya are part of the wider Visayan ethno-linguistic group which constitute the largest Filipino ethno-linguistic group. At this time, let's talk about the tribal communities in the Mindanao. First is the Yakan people in Basilan. Basilan is home of the Yakan tribes, also known as one of the Peninsulas in Philippines. Next is the Diblaan. Diblaan are one of the indigenous people of southern Mindanao in the Philippines. They are famous for their brassworks, bedworks, and nalak wave. Next tribal communities in the Mindanao is the Bagubo. The Bagubo are proud people with Proto-Malayan features. They have ornate tradition in weaponry and other metal arts. Next is the Mandaya. The Mandayas are a group of non-Christian tribe, non-Islamic people living in the eastern Mindanao, Philippines. They hand down from generation to generation the art of weaving cloth. Next is Matigsalog. The Matigsalog are the Bukidnon groups who are found in the Tiguasalog Valley in San Fernando, Bukidnon. Matigsalog is a term which means people along the river Salog. Next is the Polangien. Living in the Polangi River headwaters in the southern part of Bukidnon, the Polangien is one of the many indigenous natives of the province. Next is the Samal. The Samal are the poorest and least independent of the major Muslim groups. They serve as the loyal commoners in the hierarchy of Muslim minorities. Next is the Bajau, widely known as the sea glimpses of the Sulu and Celebes Seas. The Bajau are scattered along the coastal areas of Tawi-Tawi, Sulu, Basilan, and some coastal municipalities of Zamboanga del Sur in the ARMM. Next is the Tausug. The Tausug or Suluk people are an ethnic group of the Philippines, Malaysia, and Indonesia. The Tausug are part of the wider political identity of Muslim of Mindanao, Sulu, and Palawan known as the Moro ethnic group who constitute the third largest ethnic group of Mindanao. Now let's talk about the tribal communities in Sarangani. First is the Lumad people. The Lumad is a group of indigenous people of the southern Philippines. It is a Cebuano term meaning native or indigenous. The term is short for Next is the Maranao. The life of the Maranao is centered on Lake Lanao, the largest in the Mindanao and the second largest and deepest lake in the Philippines. Next is the Tibuli. The Tibuli tribe is an indigenous tribe living in the highlands of Lake Cebu in South Cotabato in the southern part of Philippines. The Tibuli people believe in many gods. Their high regards with the spirits of nature is very much evident in their way of living. That's all. Thank you for watching.